Hello family, the holiday period is here and there's a ton of sales going on, and so today I bring you Lululemon haul. Today is Lululemon day because my second daughter, who happens to be the baker on this channel, turns 13 years today, and so Lululemon happens to be her favorite brand. So she sent me out to the mall already this morning, and so I just want to show you a few of the pieces that I picked for her and what I picked for myself and then some of the other members of the family. Today is her birthday, so as usual we got her some cake. She asked for some crumble cookie, so that's her crumble cookie. Those are the flavors that she loves, and some of the few ones for her to try out. She requested for some jewelry from Kendra Scott, which I got. They are in there for her, and of course she is going to be very happy today. We have some Lululemon in those bags, and that is their holiday bag that they put the things in. Trust me, when Lululemon is on sale, that's a good time to pick up your pieces. Forget about the cold now. The weather is bound to change, and these same things are going to go back to their high prices. So if you are able to afford those ones whilst they are on sale, you want to grab them. Let me show you what is in those bags. I'm going to shift you around and show you what we have from Lululemon. It's been a fun morning so far. I have been out already and I'm back. So just a few pieces. We have here some tops. This is it. Originally retails for $58. It's now $39. And it's good and gorgeous, great for layering. And this is for one of my daughters. Okay. We have some crew necks. Let me come back a little so you can see. We have some beautiful Lululemon crew necks. If you're familiar with Lululemon, you know the make is always good. Yeah. Retails for $98. It's now $69. She'll be very happy to have this. This is just a little top for layering. Originally $58. Now $29. It's good to wear that underneath your crew neck. About the same thing in a bigger size for Mama. Look at that. It has the beautiful Lululemon stitching at the back. That is what distinguishes it from all other tops. Few more layering tops. Originally $69. That's the new price. This my girl has decided she will wear nothing but Lululemon, and so even if you buy her some other thing, she doesn't want it, and so it's better to buy some few pieces that she loves than a ton of pieces that she wouldn't bother to use. This is great for the season now, for school. They wear originally $98, it's now $69. It's all about the cost per wear. If she will wear it, then that's good. Some more layering tops. It's now $39. Used to be $68. Can you believe this? Has a beautiful Lululemon stitching on the back. A few more layering tops in different sizes. Yeah. Picked up a top for Mama. Mama couldn't resist. That's Lululemon logo right there. Do you see it? Very subtle, but it's there. And this is originally 48, it's now 34. And of course, Mama got herself a crew neck as well. It's crew neck season, and so everybody gets a crew neck. Beautiful, beautiful. Little girl needs some sweatpants to go with her crew necks. Retails for $118. It's now $79. And I've got a cargo jogger pants. Great for running errands. This is a size 8. So that's all the clothing. So the sales is on. People are picking their sizes up. So if you are a Lululemon fan, you want to go do yourself a favor. If you wait, you're still going to get these at the original prices, which to me may not always be worth it. But if you get them on sale, that's okay. That's okay if you can get them on sale. So that's all I picked up from Lululemon. Yeah, I can show you one more time. Crew necks are beautiful. As you can see, we don't like too much color. We're keeping it dark and subtle, which will help you go through all the seasons. You know, you can transition very well with these guys. Surprised there's not too much color to it. Yeah, so somebody should be happy today. All right. So that's it. Humble cookie once again. This is just a little birthday for her, for the house. Next weekend or two, her friends will be coming home to celebrate her, and she should get another set of cake, which will be the real birthday cake. Until then, happy birthday to little sister, who cooks for us all the time, who bakes us delicious things for the house. She's always cooking something for us to enjoy. Happy birthday, Abra. Happy birthday. Enjoy your 13th birthday. And we will see you style some of these dresses just the way you like it. And this has been my home studio here in the lower level where I do my hauls. Okay, thanks for joining me as always, and I'll see you sometime on the other side of the house, which is my favorite place, the kitchen. Bye for now.